Steel hubcap, Tommy green colored car, XJ type 3.4 filthy Jaguar. Sales brochure mentioned clean and not loud. It makes the dashboard lights and armor look bizarre, with a torn brown leather seats and steering wheel. Makes way of the old-fashioned British Army feel. Takes the dusty dark road that's fallen in disrepair. H, no one cared, was live and laissez-faire to the high-grown corn by the side so immense that leads to a farmer's residence. White woven window shades regularly hang, sadly change color by the years. It ain't no conscious choice, the grace of withholding every frat cat boy to lay his eyes on what's inside. Now that there is something there for him to hide. There he dug a 6-foot dungeon where candlelights flicker and empty bottles of liquor. You dug so deep enough to stand in to the bloody body seat of a hard-bloody virgin. Friend, he waltzes down his humid cave's rear end, where he's not afraid, where he will not refrain. Every shallow piece of joy or deepest inner pain, the smell, the feel, the life concealed before they are his dug checks to the heel. Gets a plea, sometimes even feigns. When he does, he spills his victim's blood for pain. To paint the oh-so-missed Asian children